Hello everybody. Today I show you how to make black pepper beef. First, cut up your beef into slices like this. Now, once beef is all sliced, put into bowl. Now I show you what ingredients you use to marinate the beef. First, 1 tablespoon of rice wine. Then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it all together. Now you want to add in 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Then you will want to mix it up again really well. Use hands far better. Make sure all beef is covered. Once beef is covered, you will want to place bowl into the fridge for 2 hours. Now heat wok till smoking and add in your beef. Broil off beef for 2 minutes until look like this. Lovely jubbly. Now, once beef is browned, take out and leave to side. Now, add in onion, green pepper, red pepper, and garlic to the wok and simmer. Don't forget to subscribe. After 2 minutes, add in beef. Mix it all together. Now for your sauce. Now add in your sauce. Very easy to make. All you need: 1/4 cup of water, tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now to that you add teaspoon of light soy sauce and teaspoon of crushed black peppers and 1 tablespoon of cornflour. All ingredients are listed in the description. And serve lovely jubbly.